discussing both things today.
Yeah, but for the film and the photo day, we've got somebody who's a film teacher as well in Lahore. And he's a poet himself. He recites ghazal, in fact, reads or probably sings ghazals as well. And he's none other than Mr. Ahmad Hammad. He's alongside us. Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Walaikum assalam, I'm good, thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. And one last thing, he's also author of 5 poetry books as well. And we have also got his latest one, which will be coming out, and we will be discussing it during this segment.
Yeah.
So Shazad, you can ask the first.
Yes, obviously, I'll get started. So first of all, what do you have to say about knowing that it's a photo day, probably?
Well, I am quite excited because it takes me to the past. I'm a fan and I'm a man of cinema, and I like the photos being moved in front of my eyes, and those
on those rolls as well.
Okay,
yeah,
great.
and along with the sound, it really creates some hypnotic experience for all the cinegoers. And when you are within the theater, you actually get inspired from a lot of things, and those lot of things are actually coupled with sound and visuals.
Yeah.
So basically, I am quite excited about the photos you are talking of. And see, as you in introduction, you mentioned that photo has evolved itself into movies now and into animations.
Yes.
So this is quite exciting for me.
Absolutely. Okay, so now in regards to your